In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and reuse a section in Squarespace. Let's begin in the Squarespace site editor. From your dashboard, open the website you're working on and enter editing mode so you can see your page with all the editable areas. A section in Squarespace is a horizontal slice of your page that can contain text, images, forms, buttons, or other content blocks. Scroll to the specific section you want to preserve for future use, such as a hero banner, a testimonial strip, or a call to action. Hover over that section to reveal its controls, then open the section controls or settings. Depending on your template or Squarespace version, this might look like an edit section button, a gear icon, or a small toolbar at the top of the section. Inside those controls, look for the option to save the section for reuse. It may be labeled Save Section, Save for Reuse, or something similar. If you see it, go ahead and select it. Squarespace may prompt you to give the saved section a name. Choose something descriptive and consistent so you can find it later in a long list. For example, you might include the page context and the purpose, like home, hero with CTA or global, testimonials row. Clear names save time when your library grows. After naming, confirm the save action. You'll typically see a brief confirmation message indicating the section has been added to your saved library. That's your cue that it's ready to be used elsewhere. When you're ready to reuse the saved section, navigate to another page or to a new area on the same page. Click Add Section to open the section chooser. Look for a tab or category labeled Saved Library or similar. Browse or search for the name you assigned earlier, select it, and insert it into the page. The section will appear with its layout, content blocks, and styling intact, giving you a fast, consistent starting point. Once the section is placed, feel free to adjust text, images, and styles to suit the new context. This is a powerful way to maintain brand consistency while speeding up page building. If you don't immediately see the save option in your section controls, double check that you're editing the section, not an individual block. And note that availability can vary by Squarespace template and version. That's the process. Open your site editor, go to the section you want to save, open the section controls, choose the Save for Reuse option. Name it, confirm, and then drop that saved section into any other page when you need it.